Hi everyone. Okay, so I'm back to give you some introduction to handwriting. This is an introductory basic that I do with all of my students. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how to begin to do cursive handwriting. So first we want to do a circle, within 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 a circle. Try to do it on an angle so you can get that angle. I don't have much visual here because the camera is in front of my face, so bear with me. And so you want to do the circle, within the circle, within the circle, within the circle. These are basics. And then on an angle. Circle, within a circle, within a circle, within a circle. So you can practice that, and once you feel comfortable with that, you can also do the lines like this. So it's down, up in the air. Notice how I go up in the air, come down here, up in the air, down here, up in the air, down here, and up in the air. It's not like this. That is not what you want to do. You want to go up in the air, down, 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 down. Okay, so this is an introduction to some basics you need for handwriting, and I thought I'd share this in the group. I know some of you have been really waiting for something like this, and so here it is. Let me know if you want more. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.